All right, so welcome back to the channel. It's definitely been far too long, and I know a lot of people noticed that I pretty much went MIA. This episode, well, it's really not even an episode. This is just kind of a little, I don't know really what you want to call it. Me just being honest. When I started this channel, I said that I wanted to do things in a way that was, authentic and real. And that meant the good and the bad. And up until a couple months ago, everything was rolling along really well. Um, if you're into just the build and you want to see that, by all means, you can go to the next episode where I'm covering where I picked up where I left off, the how-to video. If you're actually curious as to what happened to me, stick around because I'm going to explain that now. About 3 months ago, I woke up like any other day and legitimately thought I had a heart attack. And, good news is I was wrong. Bad news was I really didn't know what the hell happened. And I got to be honest with everyone. It was really scary because without answers, I really didn't know what to say to everybody. So I just decided to say nothing. Come to find out, really what I suffered was a pretty debilitating panic attack. And for anyone out there that really doesn't know anything about mental health or, anxiety, it can be a vicious thing. I am someone that has suffered for about 15 years now with pretty severe PTSD. In another lifetime, I was a correctional officer, and, it changed the way I looked at the world, and it honestly took me to a really dark place. I didn't do anything about it. And I don't know if it was just stupid pride or I really didn't know what the hell to do with what I felt, what I was doing every day. And I know there's a lot of people out there that feel the same way. Ultimately, it blew up in my face in a bad way. So what I was left with was basically an inability to kind of use my hands, which was bizarre to me. Considering up until, like I said, everything happened, I didn't feel, stressed out and I didn't feel anxiety. I'm honestly living my best life. I'm lucky because I get to chase my dreams every day, and a lot of people can't say that. So for me to be blindsided and not understand like what kind of derailed me, yeah, it was a hard pill to swallow. So again, I'm just being really honest with everyone. And during the last couple months, I've been going and getting treatment and talking to a lot of different healthcare professionals. And one thing that I found is that my journey through mental health and physical health is kind of, I don't know, fascinating to a lot of people. So I've been encouraged to start another channel that documents my weight loss journey and struggles with PTSD and my mental health. We're going to add that link at the bottom so you can go and check that out if you want to. I'm also going to flash some pictures up here, and you can see what I actually used to look like. And, I was someone that walked around to the tune of 400 pounds. And, it's not something that I'm proud of, and it's not really something that I'm ashamed of either. It just was me. So, living a life, that was kind of different from where I am now, ultimately has kind of, taken me down a different path. And I think that's just kind of the story of life, which is, you never know what tomorrow is going to bring. And all you can really do is pick yourself up when you're down and keep trying. And that's what I'm planning on doing. And that's what I'm doing. And it's been, a hard road, but I'm getting back to the Supra. And you can go check out the next episode. Picked up with the round rod there and did a little bit of a how-to. I hope people, understand that one because it's a really intricate part of this design on the car. And like I said, I dive into that one on the next episode. So that's pretty much, really what happened and what I have to say about it. I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. And, thanks again for the support from everyone, and keep on watching, and we will catch you next time.